these days, but so many people are missing out on the nutrients they need whenever it comes to fruits and vegetables. And even people who are eating their fruits and vegetables, it just seems like they're not getting enough of the nutrition that they need. So that's why these Greens gummies have been a real godsend for people, and it's been taking TikTok shop by storm, because these have these little packets in here. Then for $1.30 a serving right now, you can be able to get all of this value, this nutritional value in here, and you get all these different kind of vegetables that you would probably never buy, probably never eat on your own anyway. Things like spirulina and wheatgrass and goji berry and mangosteen and stuff that's not usually sold in the stores. But I'll leave the link down below, because right now they have special pricing on TikTok, and I don't know how much longer they're going to be having that. Plus they have free shipping on it, so hit the orange shopping cart before that runs out.